Okay, hello, welcome to this presentation. Today I would like to show you how to confirm the serial number and product name of your computer or laptop. Mostly the serial number is found at the back of the laptop or computer, but in cases where you're not able to find it there, you can use command prompt or PowerShell. First of all, I would like to show you how to launch command prompt and PowerShell. You can launch command prompt by typing cmd and pressing enter. You can also launch command prompt by typing command prompt in full, as you can see. Press enter. You can also use R command by pressing Windows R and typing cmd. That is again command prompt. And if you want to use PowerShell, you'll come to the Windows icon, right click it, and select Windows PowerShell. But you can also launch PowerShell by using the run command. I'll press the Windows and R button and type PowerShell, and click enter. So once you are in PowerShell or command prompt, we will type wmic BIOS get serial number and press enter. This will display the serial number of your computer, and if you want to confirm the model name, you will type wmic cs product get name and press enter. This command will display model name of your computer. So basically this is how you can retrieve the serial number and product name of your computer. Thank you.